One of the leading companies in the world of audio is Bang & Olufsen, and among all the products highlights the Beoplay family, which offer both headphones and speakers with a high sound for lovers of gourmet audio. And its latest release comes in the form of a wireless speaker housed the Beoplay P6, a product that follows the line of the traditional and exquisite design of the brand to come made of anodized aluminum and perforated using leather as a material for the strap that allows to wear it of the hand. It has a design that allows to place it in a safe and stable way, and its smooth aluminum surface facilitates a simple grip from any angle, which allows the distribution of sound in 360 degrees. In addition, its dust and splash-resistant design allows the speaker to be used in any corner of the home. To facilitate its use, the Beoplay P6 integrates a series of flexible controls punched into the aluminum housing, perhaps easier to use than the traditional touch buttons found in other speakers of this type. These controls offer a great finish, which is seen, for example, when a button press returns easily to its original position. Among these buttons there is one that, under the name One Touch, allows you to receive and answer calls or access Siri or Google Assistant through our smartphone. In addition, through the Beoplay application on our mobile phone we can configure sound preferences at our whim.